In this video, I will demonstrate the procedure for deactivating the Find My iPhone feature. Let us begin. To disable Find My iPhone, initiate by accessing the Settings application on your iPhone. Subsequently, tap on your name located at the uppermost section of the screen, followed by selecting the Find My option. Upon reaching the Find My iPhone interface, tap on the switch labeled Find My iPhone to toggle it off. To confirm this action, input your Apple ID password and tap on the Turn Off button situated at the top right corner. Consequently, the Find My iPhone feature will be successfully disabled. This concludes the guide to deactivating Find My iPhone.